Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, there's a few different ways how to do this. So for example, if I go ahead and open this email here, and it says I've already unsubscribed from news@mail.chronometer.com, you might have the option to click onto the I and it might say resubscribe. Or if we go down to the bottom of the email, it might say resubscribe. So check that out first. So basically find that resubscribe button. Now, if you can't find a resubscribe button in Gmail, basically open up an old email from that sender and then scroll to the bottom. Many companies include links like manage preferences, resub, update subscription settings, or anything along that list. And then click that link and follow the prompts on their website to rejoin their mailing list. Now, another thing what we can do is look for the website that they are. So say for example, I can't resubscribe in this email. I want to actually go to their website, sign into my account, and then basically you want to get into your profile settings or notifications, email notifications, anything similar to that, and just simply check the boxes that say hear more from that company or sign up to their newsletters, etc. So that's the third way to do that. Now, for whatever reason, if they don't have that option, basically just head on over to their website and then look for a newsletter sign up or a subscription page on their website. Every website's going to be different, so I'm not going to be able to actually show you exactly how to do it. But yeah, basically look for a newsletter sign up or subscription page and then re-enter your email there to rejoin their mailing list.